Hi, this is a stone from STXtek, and now I'm going to introduce this tripod turnstile to you. And this is the semi-automatic tripod turnstile. Here is the direction light. This is the arm, and here is the card reader area. And this is also the direction light. When standby, it will show the red cross. When the access is granted, it will show the green arrow, just like this one. Okay. So let's have a closer look. Now here is the key. You can lock the top cover. Let's open the cover. So here is the inside components, and this is the mechanism. It is a semi-automatic mechanism. This is the solenoid, and here this is also the solenoid. It controls the left and the right. Okay. This is the position sensor. It can detect this central parts and the rotation. And also here is the power supply, and here is the switch, L switch, and also this is the tripod turnstile controller. Okay. When the access granted, it will the solenoid will unlock. Okay. So here is a test button and the controller. We can test. You can see it will unlock. Okay. You can see. Okay. After a few seconds, it will go back. Okay, so we can rotate. Okay, let's press again. Okay. Let's turn another direction. Okay. Sometimes when you're using the card reader, the access is granted, but the gate still cannot unlock, so you can using this button to test if the turnstile itself if it can work normal or not. Okay. So also there is an emergency function, that is when the power is off and the arm will drop itself. Okay, let's have a test. Okay. So next time when the power is on, so as I said before, this is a semi-automatic tripod turnstile. So you need to lift the arm by manual. Okay. So this is the tripod turnstile, and a brief introduction. And I hope you will like it. Thank you.